Welcome to today's low impact movement session. Let's begin. Just a little light step. Wake up our bodies. Shake your arms out. Feel it all the way to your fingertips. Let's really elevate our mood. Get some energy to carry us through the day as we keep getting stronger, more mobile. We're gonna practice balance. Hallelujah. Let's go. Start to twist a little bit deeper. Just feel the weight of your arms. Stretching out the shoulders. Oh, starting to build that inner energy and heat. Gentle movements, but done with real focus and intention. All right, let's build some posture while we stretch out. I want you to be really focused on this movement, just a simple side bend, but bring your hand, notice the thumb, bring it back behind your head and stretch to the side. Think of your posture while you're doing this move. Keep your shoulders back, head up high. Really elongate your body. Feel your spine decompressing. Raise your heel off the ground. Pick a spot and give it real attention. How about that beautiful tree behind me as fall is coming very quickly to Finland here. But how about the beauty of that? How about the beauty of the movements that you can do? The beauty of you showing up every day, staying committed and consistent. Really get long. Oh, want to feel better, move better. Spend some time and focus on our posture. One more, real attention, real focus. Stretch it, hold it there. Get longer, longer. Feel your back really starting to stretch out. Oh, okay. Other side. Pay attention to the placement of your arm. Try to keep it behind your head. Just a little bit. You're building great mobility and strength in the upper back and shoulder. Breathe in and then out when you come to the top. Breathe in. Get real long. Bring that heel up off the ground. Oh, find a focal point. Give it this all your attention. It's amazing. Laser-like focus on things. We're better at everything we do. We get more out of it. And we continue to practice that for the important stuff. Like when we're talking to a loved one and we give them all of our attention. We're not analyzing and thinking about what we're going to say next. Rather, we're just giving them real attention, focus. Oh, yeah. What can't movement do? Oh, happiest, healthiest people in the world have the best relationships. And when we begin our day by taking care of ourselves, moving our bodies, we're so much more likely to be good to the ones we love the most. All right. Last one here. Hold it for a moment, stretch it out, feel your back and say, oh my gosh, yes, my back is amazing. Oh, hallelujah. Hopefully, the back's feeling nice and loose now. Shift your weight from side to side. Bring the arms up as much as you can. Begin to look to the sky. Start to generate some heat and mobility in our neck, in the upper spine. Feel your hands here too. Be so engaged in the movement. You can feel all of your senses, the tingling of your fingertips, the palms of your hand. Maybe they feel a little cool, maybe they're warm. I assure you, mine feel cool right now. We gotta keep moving to warm up. Oh, I love this time of year. I can't wait for September. Favorite month. Oh, the beauty that comes in September. And it starts a little early here in Finland, as you can see with this gorgeous tree behind me. Oh, get long here too. Decompressing the spine. I'm focusing on all the beauty of things rather than concentrating on the movement. But I think there's the beauty in the movement and in our surroundings. Last one here. Oh, there's the dopamine release. Hallelujah. Feeling great. I hope you are too. Okay, mobility and strength in this movement. You're gonna love it. Bring your fingertips, clasp your hands together. Reach up nice and high. Twist. Feel that in the shoulders. Arms come down as you squat down just a little bit. Beautiful leg strength here. And then clasp your fingers together again. Up overhead. Twist a couple times. Real mindful movement. Arms come down. Squat as deep as is accessible to you. Wherever you're at, it's beautiful. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, look to the sky, and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Last one, breathe in. Real conscious breath. Breathe in, breathe in. Hold it there for a moment. Hold your breath. Retain the breath and breathe out. Oh, yes. All right, let's bend down. Bend down here, and you're gonna circle the arms up. We wave our arms in the air like we just don't care. Shift your body weight, real playful move. And then we're gonna come down the other way. Back up, wave a bit, and come on down the same way you came up. And then begin to just flow here. Find a nice movement for you. Reach your arms back as much as you can. Build great mobility in the upper back and shoulders. And maybe we move with just a bit of pace. Heat up the body. Bend your knees when you come down. Open your hands up nice and wide. Extend your fingers out as far as possible. Woo. Woo. It's like we're on an amusement ride here. Oh, yes. Couple more. Actually, let's stop at the bottom. Hold it here. Flat back if you can. And just swing your arms. Bend your knees generously. Just swing your arms. Oh, just be here. Oh, come on up. So good, so good. Just a couple prayer wheels here. Step forward, palms together in a prayer. Step forward, nice circle. Step back, reverse the circle. Step forward with the other leg, circle forward, step back, reverse the circle, step forward, forward circle, reverse the circle. You know what's happening here. Just enjoy the ride. Embrace the movement of what you can do. Big circle. Step a little further. Last one here. Oh, great for mobility in the entire body. Oh, okay. Little core stability. Just tap the toe to the side. We can open the chest a bit. Real conscious, focused move. And then, if you'd like, leave the arms outstretched and begin to keep the leg side lift off the ground. Pick a spot, pick one of the leaves on that maple tree. Give it laser-like attention. You got this. You're building strength, mobility, impeccable balance. Couple more. Ooh, shake it out a little bit and let's go to the other side. Now we're tapping this foot out. Let's reach up. And if you just want to keep doing this, keep doing this. Again, you modify. You just focus on where you're at and you get that 1% better every day by showing up. Are you ready? You can bring the arms to the side if you like. You can keep them up overhead. That's gonna add a little extra challenge. Whatever works for you. If you need to hold on to something, a chair, a countertop, brilliant. Do it. It's wonderful. Maybe the leg comes up just a little bit higher, building more hip mobility. Oh. Okay, last one. Ooh, shake that out. Ooh, just a nice floating twist as we get ready to conclude today's session. Just move with awe here. Just look at everything you've done. How brilliant. Oh, so incredible. Yes. Okay. Just a couple crane moves to finish off. Continue practicing balance. Reiterating the consistency is what matters. Arms come up. Bring up the leg to the side. Kick the leg out. And then other leg. So we breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Everything comes up, breathe in. Kick the leg out, arms come down, breathe out. Oh, excellent, excellent. Oh my goodness, we've gone a little long today. Just get caught up in all the joy of movement. Stick with me, we're almost there. Clearly, attention. Find one leaf on that maple tree, give it laser-like attention. I'll pick my own. How about the color of that, huh? Wow. Wow, Mother Nature. 30 seconds. Let's practice paying attention, focus, the ability to concentrate. Laser-like focus. Just breathe and be. Your mind wanders, just bring it back. Even a few seconds can change everything. This ability to really bring our attention into the now is remarkable. I talked yesterday about this helps when there's an opportunity to be kind rather than right. I take a breath. Do I want to be kind or right here? Often being kind serves the day and yourself much better than being right. Have the most remarkable day. I will see you tomorrow. I am truly grateful. Goodbye.